Alright, it should be fine now. Oh, no. Come on, let's continue. Let's see. Let's start with. So, first, once again, welcome back to my stream. I apologize for my connection, internet connection. And let's. In today's topic, we will talk about this project, XD Smart Chain startup project. Delegate user, welcome to my stream. So, before we start, let's acknowledge some information about the benefits of K-Tire's startups. Okay, so all right. So first things first, what is the Gatire Startup Program? Essentially, this is an exclusive platform on Gatire that lets users participate in token sales for new and upcoming blockchain projects. Merhaba, hoş geldiniz. So this is where the magic happens. Uh, this is how you get in early, well before a project goes public and potentially skyrocket in well. So basically that means uh, okay, in on a token sale, you are buying tokens at a discounted price compared to the public launch. So that's right. GateIO gives you the uh, chance to get a first mover advantage, which will lead to significant profits if the project takes off after its official release. This can. What about now? Yeah, it's fine. It must be my. So, one of the best parts about Gatai Startup Program is that it provides early access to projects that are still in their infancy. So we all know how big it can be to get on the ground floor of a promising um, blockchain project. So whether it's a new DeFi protocol, a blockchain game, or an NFT platform, AI, so this is where you get the chance to pick up tokens before anyone else. And here's the thing, getting in early means potentially being a part of something huge before the hype picks up. So we have seen this happen time to time. Uh, Projects that launch on platforms like this go on to see massive growth once they hit the public market. So if you are someone who loves finding hidden gems, so the startup program is the place to be. Now let's talk about the most exciting part, the price. So Gate.io gives users the opportunity to purchase tokens at a discounted compared to what they will be listed for when they hit the open market. So this is huge, especially if you are looking to maximize your returns. So before we continue, let's watch the startup participation tutorial. So that way you guys can get clear information how to participate or claim your uh, shares. Let's say that. Antalya hoş geldiniz. Merhaba. Teşekkürler. Size de kolay gelsin. Hello, how are you? And 666. So bugün boğazım birazcık kötü olmuş. O yüzden sesim kötü gelebilir. Ben de hoş buldum. Teşekkürler.
What is Gate.io Startup? Gate.io Startup is one of the biggest platforms introducing early stage projects spanning AI, DeFi, GameFi.
All right, my internet is really bad, so let's. I don't want to torture you guys.
Metaverse, and more. You can discover potential projects here. What is Gate.io Startup? Gate.io Startup is one of the biggest platforms introducing early stage projects spanning AI, DeFi, GameFi, Metaverse, and more. You can discover potential projects here, participate in startup and receive free token airdrops. Startup has successfully launched over 1,000 projects, with total participants of 14 million, a subscription amount of more than $100 million, and APY of 16.49%. How many tokens I can claim? Non-VIP users will be randomly selected to win airdrops for each project. The total airdrop amount for non-VIP users will vary depending on the project, and the number of winners and the airdrop amount are not fixed, while for VIP users, they are 100% guaranteed to receive the airdrops. The higher your VIP tier, the more shares you can claim. Are there any requirements to claim Gate.io startup free airdrops? You only need to complete KYC verification and hold no less than $10 to claim free airdrops on Gate.io startup. How to claim free airdrops on Gate.io startup. First, log into your Gate.io account, click on Profile on the homepage and complete the KYC verification. Check your wallet and hold no less than $10 spot assets. Click on Startup on the homepage to access the startup page. Click on the projects in progress and click $0 free to claim. Navigate to the project page. You can check the project introduction here. Click $0 free to claim. Tick I have read and agreed subscription agreement and click Claim Now to complete the subscription. Please note that there will be no fee deducted to claim free airdrops on Gate.io startup. You only need to hold no less than $10 to join. In addition, Startup also provides exclusive airdrop subscription opportunities for users holding GT tokens, allowing them to participate in early-stage project investments and receive project token airdrops. Participation requires only holding 10 GT token. You can go to the startup page and enter the projects labeled GT Holders Exclusive. Then you can click Hold GT and claim free. Tick I have read and agreed subscription agreement and click Claim Now to complete the subscription. You can check the airdrop results in the subscription history or on the project subscription page. By participating in startup subscriptions, you will have more access to some potential projects and stand a chance to reap substantial rewards in their early stages.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. So I think I made myself clear. So let me know if you have any questions about the participation tutorial. So let's continue to talk about the advantages of Gate startup. So if you could buy a token at a discounted rate during the token sale and then see that token's value rise after it get listed publicly on the exchange, the this gives you a chance to get in a lower cost and right away when the price goes up, potentially leading to a significant profit. And now, of course, as with all crypto investments, it's important to do your own research, do your own thing, but the potential for higher returns is definitely something that makes this program worth considering. And so this is where Gateway Startup Program really stands out. So it offers exclusive participation rights for its users. So what does that mean? Well, there is a limited window for token sales, and often only a select group of users get the opportunity to take part. And so, whether you are an active trader or just someone who wants to gain early access to new projects, so the program is designed to give you that exclusive edge over the rest of the market. So, this means that means if you are actively using Gate.io, you could be one of the lucky few to get access to these token sales before they're available to the general public. So it's rare opportunity, and it's all about rewarding active participation on the platform. And speaking of active participation, Gator really rewards its loyal users. Oh my God. So, the more you engage on the platform, whether it's through trading, staking, or interacting with the community, so the more you stand to gain. So, if you have been an active user for a while, you might find yourself getting, uh, you know, prioritized access to these token sales. And so there's also possibility of getting extra allocation in token sales, which gives you more of an opportunity to buy up those discounted tokens. So if you're someone who regularly trades or is involved in other gator activities, it's definitely worth getting in on the action because you'll have a better shot at landing those valuable spots in the token sales. So one of the coolest things about Gator startup program is the share diversity of the projects. So, these are projects from all over the blockchain space, including everything from DeFi to NFT to Web3. By participating in token sales, you're not just limited to one type of project. You get to see and engage with a wide range of ideas and technologies. So this means you can diversify your portfolio and spread your investments across different sectors of the crypto world. So for anyone serious about building a long-term crypto portfolio. So this exposure to a variety of projects is invaluable. Hello, how are you? We do some. Okay, I think that's it for the advantages. I know I talk too much. Okay, so let's see. Let's talk about our startup project. And first, let's check out the project introduction. XC Smart Chain is a public blockchain infrastructure focused on delivering higher performance, low cost blockchain services built with innovative layer 2 technology. It achieves over 3,000 TPS with sub 3-second confirmation times while maintaining full AVM compatibility. So the platform has demonstrated strong growth with TVL exceeding 48 million and features a comprehensive echo of over 10 core DApps spanning service, NFT, and cross-chain solutions. So the XT Foundation is primarily responsible for the development, operation, and ecosystem building of the XT Smart Chain project. So through multi-faceted efforts, the foundation promotes the healthy development of the XCS ecosystem with the goal of establishing XSC as a leading public blockchain infrastructure. So, the highlight and vision, revolutionary layer to scaling solution, outperforming competitors in speed and cost, comprehensive cross-chain technology, enabling seamless asset interoperability, full AVM compatibility with optimized fusion, reducing gas consumption, thriving eco with over 1,000 active developers and established partnerships with major exchanges, strong focus on regulatory compliance and security with multiple audit certifications. The token economics. So XC token serves as the native utility token for network fees, staking rewards, and governance participation. So total supply is capped at 1 billion tokens with allocation for airdrops. So eco development team. So yeah, I'm sorry. So 36% is airdrops, eco development is 26%, team is 14%, and foundation is 14%, and strategic financing is 10%. So token features a structured vesting schedule to ensure long-term sustainability. So technical overview, XC Smart Chain utilizes an enhanced proof of stake consensus mechanism with innovative sharding. So technology for parallel processing. So the architecture incorporates optimized P2P uh, networking, smart node discovery, and BRF random algorithm for validator selection, ensuring both performance and security. Arzı 1 milyar, evet. Burada 1 milyar olduğunu yazıyor. All right, so let's check the website. XD Smart Chain. So XD Smart Chain is a decentralized blockchain that aims to provide scalable and user-friendly applications to the world. Rica ederim Altay. So what they okay, I'll check it out later. Oh, it's an announcement. All right. So about XD Smart Chain, XD Smart Chain is a decentralized, energy efficient public chain. So it's compatible with smart contracts and supports high performance transactions. The indigenous token of the XD Smart Chain is XD, which adopts the HPOS consensus mechanism, which has low transaction costs, features such as low transaction latency and high transaction concurrency. Well, actually, it sounds nice, guys. So the mission of XD Smart Chain is not only public chain, but also focuses on discovering and supporting high potential developers and innovative projects, relying on the world's largest trading ecosystem. So SC is committed to becoming the birthplace of innovative technologies and innovative businesses. So to build a complete ecological cycle of technology development, application promotion, and trading, obviously. Let's check the tutorials. Okay. So introduction, we no, I already did this one. Okay, we don't need this. So the three steps to start existing smart chain ecological application. Step one, install on-chain wallet, support MetaMask, uh, token, token pocket, and other wallets. Two, purchase XSC assets. You can purchase XSC assets on the XT exchange and withdraw them to the wallet on the chain. It is also possible to exchange other public chain assets into XSC assets through a cross-chain bridge. Buenos dias, buenos dias, Buti 30. Teyze People hoş geldiniz. Merhaba. Teşekkürler. İyi akşamlar dilerim. So the strip tree is Pro's XSC projects. So there are certain risks in using any projects on a decentralized public chain. The users need to identify the quality of the project by themselves to avoid loss of funds. So block data is okay. Average gas fee. Well, sounds nice. So technical characteristics, higher transaction performance. So using HP consensus mechanism. So high throughput, low transaction latency, high transaction concurrency, and block generation time as low as 3S. So lower transaction fees, meta transaction function fee reduction and exemption further reducing to the cost of developers and users to on the chain. And third, smoother cross-chain experience. Support the transfer of cross-chain assets in multiple mainstream currencies to create a more extreme cross-chain experience. And more comprehensive, compatible contract supports all Ethereum RPC interfaces and related SDKs seamlessly connecting to the Ethereum ecosystem. So how to quickly start on the XC chain, how to connect to the network. Okay, let's see. We already got MetaMask here. Okay, it's just the website. Okay, these two. Um, you can speak to us freely. Well, you can send a message. All right. So XT Smart Chain Explorer. So basically, so you see the transactions and blocks here, the latest ones, of course. See? Announcement, market, staking, bridge. They also got NFTs. Let's check the NFTs. And they need. Okay, yeah. So I just want to check out. So I do want to connect my wallets here for now. All right. Swap. Yeah, you can also swap here. Let's see the wallets. Well, unfortunately, I don't have more options, I guess. Welcome. Yeah, you can also download. I think they have some kind of app. Yeah, they got the app. So from this, scan this QR or just type the name to search bar. All right. So let's check staking. So stating total amount is 899,900. Validators, staking guides, okay. And market, let's check the market as well. Oh, that's really nice. Wait, since when? Okay. So let's go back to white paper. So let's see what's going on with the white paper. Um, yeah, so XC Smart Chain, technical white paper, so table of contents, we don't need this. Let's move. Introduction, we already know the introduction, but let's check it out. So XT Smart Chain is a decentralized energy efficient public chain. So it's compatible with smart contracts and supports high performance transactions. Uh, The indigenous token of the XC Smart Chain is XC, which adopts the HBO's consensus mechanism, which has low transaction costs, features such as low transaction latency and high transaction concurrency. Okay, so XC Smart Chain features, so an open and decentralized network to maintain the security of the network and assets, support AVM programmability and smart contract compatibility to reduce development or migration costs. So meta transaction function, fee reduction, effectively reducing the cost of developers and users on the chain, support cross-chain asset transfer, and optimize user experience. So XT Smart Chain, other features, so anyone can access all the open source code and compile and run their own nodes. The rules for participation is validation are publicly available in the form of code, so anyone can audit the code to verify the system's security. Anyone can verify whether the system's rules are being followed by checking local and on-chain data. And concept is consensus. The consensus mechanism of XC Smart Chain is based on the HBOA consensus mechanism. So HBOS is a proof of stake based consensus mechanism, which is a hybrid of the POS and POA. So POS can effectively defend against 51% attacks, but is not decentralized enough. So and HBOs involve token holders voting and electing a set of validators, increasing decentralization and benefiting community governance. Oh, hello, hello, how are you? Welcome to my stream, Gate user. I'm fine. What about you? Thanks for asking. Yeah, so XSC adopts HBOS consensus mechanism of low transaction cost, low transaction delay, and high transaction concurrency, and supports up to 21 active validators. So I'm glad to hear that, Gate user. I'm glad to hear that. So the administrator can design it and any address to become a common validator. And the 21 validators with the largest number of pledge the node is an active validator responsible for the packaging of the block producing node. Xlinks, crazy pump. Well, after finishing this, I will do a usual stream, so that way we can talk about it. It's a project review thing, but I promise we will talk about it after this one. So after each epoch, the pledge amount ranks among the top 21 validators, and it will become the active validator for the next epoch. So all active validators are sorted according to predefined rules and packed into blocks in turn. So if a validator fails to pack blocks in time in its own round, the number, I mean, active validators who have not participated in the block will randomly perform block generation. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm glad you like it. So at least n slash 2 plus 1 active validators are working normally to ensure the normal operation of the blockchain. So difficulty value of the block is 2 when it is generated normally, and 1 when it is not generated in a predetermined order. So when the blockchain works, the blockchain selects the corresponding 4 based on the calculative maximum difficulty. I'm sorry. So, working mechanism of HBOS. Oh my God, thank you so much, Katie. Thank you so much. Today my throat is a bit, I don't know, it's a bit sore, I guess. So, Amira hoş geldin. Merhaba, nasılsın? Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. Sana da iyi akşamlar Amira. Nasılsın? So let's continue. Blocks are generated by a limited set of validators. Validators take turns generating blocks in a POS manner, similar to Ethereum's click consensus engine. Ben de hoş buldum. Nasılsın? So the set of validators is selected based on stake-based governance on the XD Smart Chain. Evet, evet, proje yayını. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Gate user. Yeah, we were talking about click consensus engine, the Ethereum's generating blocks. The set of validators is selected based on stake-based governance on the XC Smart Chain. And with a certain probability and randomness on the XC Smart Chain, with a certain probability and randomness. What? Did I? Never mind, guys. So, based on the fundamental principle of blockchain design, if this consensus mechanism is not followed, non-compliant nodes will be forked out, while compliant nodes can always verify whether the consensus mechanism is being followed. So this is the foundation of blockchain security and decentralization. So the description, let's check the description as well. Validator, there is no limit in theory. Anyone can become a validator, which can be set by the administrator. So active validator, currently the validator is responsible for packaging blocks up to 21. So epoch, the time interval in blocks, the current one epoch equals 200 block. So at the end of each period, the blockchain interacts with the system contract to update the active validator. And well, let's check the punishment. Whenever it is found that the verifier has not packaged a block according to the predefined, the punish contract will be automatically called at the end of the block, and the verifier will be counted. When the count reaches 24, Only verifier's income will be punished. When the count reaches 48, the validator will be removed from the list of active validators and disqualified. And rewards, XC Smart Chains mining rewards are only commissions. The distribution rules are as follows 10% to backups. So 10% is evenly distributed to ordinary validator nodes, and 40% validator share by vote, 40% is distributed to active validator nodes in proportion to the pledge weight. And 50% validator share, 50% is evenly distributed to active validator nodes. For any account, you can pledge any number of coins to the validator. So if you want to cancel mortgage, you need to do the following. First, send unstaking transaction to uh, validator management contract. Second, wait for 86,400 blocks and then send a withdrawal transfer to the validator engagement contract. And each validator node can individually set the percentage of the current block reward to be distributed to users. Staking users get rewards based on the percentage. So ordinary validator nodes can also be distributed to staking users. And creation archives. What is a creation document? So the Genesis file is a JSON file that defines the initial state of the blockchain. So it can be regarded as the height of the zero blockchain. So the first block located in height 1 will refer to the creation world file as its parent file. And the state defined in the Genesis file contains all necessary information, such as initial token allocation, creation time, default parameters, etc. So let's break down this information. So the description is chain ID, the unique identifier of the chain. The main net is 520, the test net is 530, and the network ID to testnet should be different from the main net. Period is block time interval. Epoch, the time interval in blocks. The current one epoch is 200 block at the end of each period. So the blockchain interacts with the system contract to update the active validator. Nonce is the random number is cryptographically secure proof of mining workload, which undoubtedly proves that a certain amount of calculation has been spent in determining the value of the token. And timestamp must be at least the parent's timestamp plus block period. So extra data, the initial validator is set here, gas limit a scalar value equal to the current full chain limit of gas spending for each block. In our case, it is high to avoid being restricted by this threshold during the test. Note. Well, this does not mean that we needn't to pay attention to the gas consumption of our contract. The difficulty scalar value corresponding to the difficulty level applied during the discovery of the random number of this block. The testnet recommends using 0x1 and the Coinbase the address of the system used to collect block rewards. And I'll also define a list of pre-installed wallets. Okay. So the height of the block in the chain where the creation height is block 0. So parent hash, the guess what is that? 256 bit hash value to the entire parent hash, including its nodes and mix hash, a pointer to the parent block, thereby effectively establishing the blockchain. in case of Genesis block, and only in this case it is 0. So investors, the currency holding and lockup status of the main investment team and investors. So first round of airdrop is, well, you can see the amounts here. I think development team. So basically they did 9 rounds of airdrop and okay. Foundation Ecological Fund. So lockup mechanism, airdrop 50% will be unlocked during airdrop and the remaining will be released in 6 months. Development team unlocked after 80 months, released in 42 months. So investors unlocked after 12 months, released in 36 months. Ecological fund 20% will be unlocked with the airdrop event, and the rest will be released over 48 months. Foundation unlocked after 8 months, released in 42 months. The roadmap, okay, let's pass here. Pass. So 2025 is basically planned to upgrade XSC mainnet and Taker DAO system to develop some new production based on XC Smart Chain. All right. So do you update roadmap? Well, let's check. No, actually, maybe we do have it updated version here. Roadmap. Well, for now, the current roadmap is here. So I passed the 2022, 2023, and 2024 just because, well, probably they're already done. So, and only thing about 2025 is plant upgrade. Okay, let's check here. Yeah, 2025 is Dex and mainnet upgrade. But let me know if you have any more questions, any further questions. Okay, I think, well, after 13 hours, 8 minutes and 28 okay, 13 hours and 8 minutes will be listed here. So stay tuned, guys. Let's check the market once again, just because I'm curious about the price. I forgot to check the price. So basically, current price is 5.39. Oh, do they have the all-time? Well, actual all-time high price is really. Ooh. All right. Yeah, we checked. Let's check here. Creation. Mining, self-test, notice. So never use kill to directly kill the process. If you kill the Gent process or it crashes, it will not write the latest state of the cache and will force abandon the fast synchronization state at the next startup and roll back to the next complete status. So it will cause the balance to be lost. So elegantly shut down options site term Control plus D if running the console, and unsafe shutdown, stick with Windows export and so if there is a balance result, you can try following solution stop node and execute the command. So delete the data directory corresponding to the node and restart the node. Let's check other startup projects as well. We got Tontiken, Terravera, yeah, Terra, sorry. So a stable coin, XT, or project, Industry Sonic, and Clayton. Okay, very demure. Let's check the Tontiken. So basically, Totagen is a blockchain-based interactive game where players build virtual business empires and earn rewards by integrating with on blockchain. Players can monetize their gaming achievements and earn real rewards. The game promotes engagement through competitive gameplay and incentivizes spending via paid features, enhancing player attention and with seamless integration into Telegram and user-friendly Tone Wallet UX, Tone Titan is accessible to both crypto enthusiasts. All right. So what about Terraware? So it's a UX first gaming ecosystem powered by ZK Stack and AI designed to be fun and fair. With over 1 million soul-bound gamers, Terraware is on a community-driven mission to redefine gaming through multi-genre Web3 games powered. Okay, whatever. So the AI stablecoin chain is a pioneering blockchain platform. Give me a second. Okay, let's check. Industry Sonic is a project that will be operated with the aim of leasing virtual GPU and providing more AI services. So this platform facilitates the easy creation and monetization of AI agents in a plug and play manner by enhancing the integrity and usability of data within blockchain applications. So Industry Sonic supports the development and deployment of AI-driven solutions across various industries. And the last but not least, Clayton. So the Clayton project is Clayton is a blue fluffy. It's a basically meme coin, fluffy mascot of the Tone ecosystem designed to build the best community and grow together with its supporters. And Clay is a community token, and the heart of Clayton's project is represents the power of united community and will be deeply integrated into the Ton ecosystem with diverse utilities to further engage its community. And Collective features a mini app that allows users to interact, participate in events, and complete special tasks, making the project dynamic and I don't know, engaging. Let's say engaging. And I forgot to check their X account, guys. Let's go back to our. Right. Here we are, Kate. All right, let's wish them luck. Bye. So, Christmas trading plans, the holiday season is upon us. How do you plan to approach your trades during Christmas? Well, keep trading as usual, take a break. Others, well, take a break, guys. Zero. Believe me, you guys should take a break from trading at least for at least after Christmas, okay? And AI then alrighty. So I think that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon after this. So take care and goodbye. Arkadaşlar izlediğiniz için çok teşekkürler. Görüşürüz. Thank you so much, Gate user. Thanks for watching.